Hello boys and girls, this is Solaroid, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fade in and fade out music in the soundtrack of your Davinci project. So to get started with this, I prepared a small video clip of a shoreline, as you can see here, and I added some music, and it looks and sounds like this if I start it. So now I want to make sure that I have a nice fade in when the video starts. So to accomplish this, I select the audio track, and as you can see, you have two white dots in the corners of the audio track, and you actually can move them like this. So what happens now, it produced a nice fade in. And of course, you also can produce a nice fade out the same way. You just use the other corner dot. I move it in, and if I start the video from here, you will realize the music is gonna get less loud. So this is nice if you want to do it at the beginning or at the end of your movie, but sometimes you want to reduce the volume of your sound in the middle of the track. So what you do, you press Alt, your Alt key, and then set a dot somewhere here. So what this does, it's basically an audio keyframe that you produce. So you can do multiple of those. And these dots you can move again. So for instance, here you can go down like this, or move it up here, so that you can produce different levels of the music in your timeline. Well guys, I hope this was helpful to you. If you liked it, consider to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, this would be very helpful to me. See you next time, and goodbye.